Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a machine learning model that can accurately recognize and classify handwritten digits. Now if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right in the video. Now in this project we'll be using the famous MNIST dataset, a collection of handwritten digits available in Scikit-Learn's datasets module. Let's begin by importing the necessary libraries. Alright, so first we import pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical operations, and the necessary components from Scikit-Learn. Specifically, we'll be using the load digits function from the datasets to load our handwritten digit dataset. Additionally, we import train test split to split the data into training and testing sets, k-neighbors classifier as our classification algorithm, and the accuracy score to evaluate our model's performance. Next, let's load the handwritten digit dataset into our program. Alright, so we run this. Alright, so we call the load digits function to fetch the handwritten digit dataset. The images of handwritten digits are represented as pixel values and stored in the data variable, and the corresponding target labels are stored in the target variable. Next, let's split the data into training and testing sets. Right, so using the train test split, we split our data into training and testing sets. Here, we allocate 20% of the data for testing, while the remaining 80% is used for training. The random state parameter ensures the reproducibility of our split. Now let's build our handwritten digit recognition model. For this project, we'll be using the k-nearest neighbors or the KNN algorithm. We initialize a k-neighbors classifier object as our model. KNN is a popular algorithm for classification tasks. We then train the model using the fit method. We pass it through the training features xtrain and the target label ytrain. With our model trained, let's now make predictions on the test set and evaluate its performance. Alright, so we use let's make sure this runs. There's no predict. Oh, misspelled predict. There we go. So we use the trained model to make predictions on the test set using the predict method. The predicted labels are stored in the predictions variable, and then to evaluate the performance of our model, we compare the predicted labels with the true labels from the test set and calculate the accuracy score using the accuracy score function. Finally, let's print out the accuracy score to assess the performance of our handwritten digit recognition model. Right, so the higher accuracy score, or the accuracy score, represents the percentage of correctly recognized handwritten digits. So the higher the accuracy, the better our model is at classifying handwritten digits accurately. So we have a 98.6% accuracy score, which means that our model is very accurate um, at recognizing handwritten digits. All right, so we have just successfully built a machine learning model that can recognize and classify handwritten digits using the Scikit-Learn library. The accuracy score allows us to evaluate the model's performance, which prove that our model is very accurate. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed or found it helpful, drop a like down below, drop a comment in the comment section, and we'll catch you in the next one.